everyone, welcome back again to my channel, and I will show you guys today how I made this cute little pumpkin into a Glam decor. And I bought this also in the Dollar Tree, so hopefully guys and you're gonna be like it, and just please keep watching and I will show you how I made this one. So I will show you right now how I made my DIY pumpkin Glam decor. So this is my pumpkin that I'm going to use it. So I will remove the tag and I will paint this for a white color. I have a white paint color here. This is a Werberly and another one white color, and I have brush here, and I'll be start soon. So please everyone, please keep watching.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
So I'm almost done for my first coat. So what I'm gonna do this one right now is I'm gonna be let it dry, and I will paint it again for my second coat. So, but I cannot wait to show you guys how I'm gonna be turning this cute little decor, Glam decor pumpkin.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So there you go, guys. So this is the pumpkin that is already dry. So this is my foam flowers, and they're kind of my beads that I'm going to use it just in case. I just prepare it only. And Modpodge and glitter and my paint, white color. And this is the leaves I'm going to put also in my pumpkin. So cannot wait to put them all together here to my pumpkin. So this is the leaves also. There you go. I put glitters on it also, guys. So I use Modpodge on it. So there it is. So that's it. And this one also, I use Modpodge on it and I put glitters on top. And I'm going to assemble this one.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
There you go, guys. There's the finished product of my DIY fall glam pumpkin decor.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
This pumpkin is so much fun to do it, so I love crafting a lot.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe like, comment, and share. And please ring also the notification bell, so just keep your posts updated every time I post my new video. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys soon.